In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your video privacy settings on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open Vimeo on your browser or your app. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in to your account. This is an essential step because you won't be able to access your videos or change any settings if you're not logged in. Now that you're signed in, look for your library. Your library is like your personal video hub on Vimeo, where all your uploaded videos live. You can find it usually in the top navigation bar, but if you're using a mobile app, you might need to tap a menu icon to access it. Once you've opened your library, scroll through to find the video for which you want to change the privacy settings. You may have a lot of videos, so take your time and make sure you select the correct one. After you've found your video, click on it to open its individual page. On the Videos page, look towards the top right corner. You should see a button that says Share. Click on this, and a Share panel will pop up on your screen. This panel offers a variety of options regarding how and where you can share your video, but we're focusing on privacy settings today. In the Share panel, pay attention to find the section labeled Privacy. This is where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down arrow next to your current privacy setting. You'll see a few different options appear, such as Anyone, People with the Password, or Only Me. Let's break those down a little. Choosing Anyone allows anyone, yes, anyone, to view your video without restrictions. It's perfect for if you want to reach a broad audience, like with a promotional video or a tutorial that you think could benefit a lot of people. If you opt for People with the Password, this is a great choice if you want to control who can see your video. You can share this password with specific people you want to have access, while keeping it hidden from the general public. And lastly, there's Only Me, which means you're the only one who can see the video. This is useful if you're working on something privately and don't want anyone else to see it until you're ready to share. Once you've selected your desired privacy setting, you'll notice that the new setting saves automatically. There's no need to look for a Save button, which makes it super convenient and efficient. It's always good to double-check and make sure that the setting reflects what you want. After that, return to the Video page. This is crucial because you want to confirm that the new privacy setting is now displayed correctly. Just refresh the page if needed, and take a look at the privacy note or tag. This is just a final step to ensure everything's been set up according to your preferences. And there you have it. Changing video privacy settings on Vimeo is a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to do. Hopefully you found this guide helpful and feel more confident managing your video's privacy on the platform. Remember, knowing how to control who sees your videos is important, especially in today's digital landscape. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate your time and hope you enjoy using Vimeo to its fullest.